Hello, it is Thursday, December 28th. Happy holidays to everybody. Um, I took 4 trades today and ended the day with a 37.85 profit, so that was a good day. Let me just take you through those trades real quick so you can see how it was done. Okay, for the first one, it was about 8:30 in New York, and I noticed a big push down here. Of course, GJ, the gold against the Japanese yen, had been trending down all night long, and just pushing, pushing, pushing. Um, all these black lines you see here, these are all pivot lines from other times that in the past that prices sort of bounced on the 1 hour chart off and pivoted off various levels. So yeah, it's we're getting down to the lows here. Of course, we just broke lows, or at least today's lows, and we're shooting down pretty far. Right now we're down here at 179 and change, just bounced off 179 even. But most of my trading was done in this area of around 179.80, 179.75, that area around there. So anyway, I missed the big move, but that's okay. So anyway, that's where we were when I turned on the computer today. And what I did is I saw this, what I call a Christmas tree double top pattern. So you have the big push down, then you have one top against this level here, which was a major pivot on the 5-minute chart. Pull back, another top, and pull back. So that was my signal to get in. And so I got in, and I did get this wick down, and that did give me about $1,000 in profit, but it wicked right back up again and took me out break even. So that my first trade was a $31 profit scratch. When I saw price come back up to that level again here and reject off of it, I figured maybe that was another good place to get in. I was wrong. Price had a different idea. And it started to climb, and it started to climb pretty rapidly. I'll show you the 1 minute where I got in, and then what happened. So I got in right here, and then price kind of went up, went sideways, and then headed up towards my stop and stopped me out at a full stop for $1,500. So at that point in time, I just noticed there was something about the market. I can't even explain it. Sometimes I just get a feeling or an intuition that's really going to rip. And because I had that feeling, intuition, I actually put heavy shares on. A lot of shares. Way, way, way more than I typically would or should. And I'm sorry I did it, because it's not a very good habit to get into. But I just had the really strong feeling about the market. I saw this level here, and I just kind of felt like the level wanted to be broken, and price wanted to go up and tap into the 1 hour EMAs up here. So I did get long with a 100 lot right here, which is about 4 times my normal size, and it did rocket up. I kind of got out too late because it wicked up here, and that would have been a good place to get out. But I got out about seven pips from the top. So that one netted me 4,600. So that was a pretty good take on that one. And then I just kind of watched things for a while and switched back to the 5-minute here. And from that swing high, of course, my overall bias was, of course, short, simply because, even that 9 o'clock candle, which was a 1 hour candle, which was a doji, which could signify potentially a reversal, but it could also signify nothing but ready for a strong continuation down. So overall, my feeling was short was the way to go. And I started looking for another double top continuation pattern. I found it here. I found this strong push down from that swing high. One bounce up, continuation down, another 2-bar bounce up, and continuation. And that's where I got in. It was just at 10 o'clock. I think it was 9:59 and 50 seconds. Got in like 10 seconds before the bar completed. There was a strong wick here right next to that and the next candle, and it got about halfway up to my stop, maybe 60% of my stop. But what was I going to do? I just sat there and kind of waited. And then we got a nice strong move down with the 10 o'clock volume. When 10 o'clock hit, uh, then that's when the volume started coming in. At 10:05, it really started coming in, and a nice push down. And what I did is I covered just at these lows here that had bounced off a couple times before. Now, little did I know it would retrace halfway and then really move down all the way down to 179 even. But so what? I made about $1,100 off that one. So for the total for the day was 37.86. So I'll take that. That's day one of my new challenge because I burned the other challenge yesterday, over trading and over leveraging. So over leveraged again for sure on this one. Not proud of that. That's where most of the money came from. It was high risk, and I did overall move kind of close to my max daily loss, but I was aware of it on the last trade, and I knew that I was kind of close to the max daily loss of 10K. I had actually, because of the stop and because of some negative floating loss when I first got into this one here. Actually, I think I got into it over here, so it kind of pulled back on me and then it went. But overall, everything worked out okay. I maintained the count, didn't burn the account with a max daily loss violation, and just gonna live to fight another day here. That's it for now. Like I said, 4 trades today, 37.85. I'll take it on the way up to trying to get that 20K phase 1 target. Okay, that's it.